In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your WordPress site files and database. If you're a website owner, you understand how crucial it is to protect your precious data. Whether you're making changes or just want peace of mind, creating a backup ensures that your hard work and content remain safe. We'll guide you through this step-by-step process using Hostinger, a popular web hosting service that provides an intuitive user experience. To get started, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're there, direct your attention to the H panel, which serves as the control panel for managing your website. Look for the Auto Installer option, which is a helpful tool that simplifies installing various web software, including WordPress. Click on it, and then select WordPress from the list of available options. The Auto Installer makes setting up WordPress a breeze by taking care of much of the heavy lifting automatically. Now that you've successfully initiated the installation of WordPress on Hostinger, it's time to move on to the next step, uploading your backup files. There are two main ways you can do this, through the file manager or using an FTP client. The method you choose depends on your particular comfort level. Both options are straightforward, but if you opt for file manager, simply navigate to the area where you can upload files and select the ones you need to restore. Alternatively, if you're using FTP, make sure you're connected to your server and then transfer the files into the relevant directory. Once your files are uploaded, it's time to focus on your database. Hostinger makes this process seamless with phpMyAdmin, a web-based interface designed for managing MySQL databases. Open phpMyAdmin within the H panel and navigate to the Import feature. It's here that you'll be able to bring in your backup database files. After uploading the SQL file, the database will be restored to its previous state, containing all the essential data for your website. With both the site files and the database restored, the next task involves updating the wp-config PHP file. This is an important step as it establishes a connection between your WordPress site and the database. Open the wp-config.php file in a text editor and replace it with your new database details. Make sure these settings accurately reflect the new database name, username, and password you used when importing your database. Finally, it's time to test your site on the Hostinger domain to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Visit your site via the browser and take a moment to click through different pages. Double check that your content is all there and that the site behaves as expected. By following these steps, you've successfully backed up your WordPress site files and database on Hostinger, ensuring your website remains secure against any potential disruptions. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tips on managing and optimizing your online presence.